Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude to TradingView. To get started, open Claude and go to a new chat. This brings you into the main workspace and is a good starting point before accessing any account level options. Once the page is loaded, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click on your profile account. This is where Claude keeps your personal settings, preferences, and connection options. After opening the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage how Claude is configured. If you do not immediately see the option you need, give the settings page a moment to fully load so all tabs and menu items appear clearly. Next, click on Connectors. This area is used to manage services and tools that can be linked with Claude. In this case, you'll be adding TradingView as a custom connector, so this is the correct place to continue. Now move to the top right corner of the Connectors page and click the Add dropdown. A small menu should appear with available options for adding new connections. From that menu, choose Add Custom Connectors. This tells Claude that you want to manually define a new connection rather than selecting from a pre-built list. You should now see fields where you can enter the connector details. In the URL field, paste the TradingView URL. Make sure the link is entered carefully and completely, since even a small mistake can prevent the connector from being added properly. If needed, quickly review the pasted address before moving on. After that, enter TradingView as the name. This helps label the connector clearly inside Claude, so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to add more custom connectors in the future. Keeping the name simple and descriptive is the best approach here. Once both the URL and name are in place, click Add. This will submit the custom connector information and create the connection inside Claude. Depending on your setup, it may take a moment for the new connector to appear in the list, so give it a few seconds if you do not see it right away. At this point, TradingView should be added as a custom connector in Claude. If something doesn't look right, it's usually worth checking the URL and the connector name entry one more time to make sure everything was entered correctly. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting Claude to TradingView using a custom connector.